Hello everyone. So we have given 8 plus 8 times 7 by 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16 times 7 by 8, and this 16 will cancel out with 8 with 2 times, and 2 times 7 is 14. So it gives us 14, but this is not the correct answer because we have to follow order of operation, that is PEMDAS or PEDMAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So according to that, in numerator, first we have to solve the multiplication, not addition. So here it becomes 8 plus 8 times 7 is 56 over 8. Now 8 plus 56 is 64 by 8. And when you divide 64 with 8, you get 8. So what is the correct answer? 8, not 14. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.